Kalarambh brings to you pure brass tortoise. The dimension of the product is 5 by 3 by 1.5 inches. The weight of the product is 260 grams. Ideal for home and office. Made from golden brass. This product is not just elegant, but it is also sturdy, chip resistant, anti-corrosion, and tarnish resistant. This frame can be customized as customer requirement in wooden, raising, acrylic, velvet and WBC board. With every purchase of Kalarambh products, you support local handicraft artists.
Kalarambh by Bharat Haat. Experience the collection of Indian handicraft. 𝐏𝐫𝐨𝐝𝐿, Vadodara.